Namaste, listeners. Today in our podcast, we are going to talk about an important and useful topic for daily life: how to write invitation letters and invitation cards. I also have my student with me today who will be asking some questions on this topic.
Namaste, teacher. I'm eager to learn about this. What do we mean by an invitation letter, teacher?
Good question, student. Invitation letters are personal letters. They are written to close friends, relatives, and acquaintances. In the Secondary Education Examination SEE, it carries 5 marks and should be around 100 words. According to OALD, an invitation is a spoken or written request to someone to do something or go somewhere. Invitations are used for special occasions such as weddings, birthday parties, anniversaries, etc. Depending on the event or the invitee, they can be formal or informal.
What are informal invitation letters like?
Informal invitation letters are also called personal letters as they are written to close friends, relatives, and acquaintances. While writing such letters, a few important things should be kept in mind. Read the question or instructions carefully. Identify the purpose of the invitation, for example, wedding, birthday party, rice feeding ceremony, or any other event. Write a heading, just like in personal letters. The letter can begin like this: We would be happy if dash dash. We are pleased and delighted to invite you dash dash. I would like to invite you dash dash. We or I wish to inform you dash dash. I'm writing this letter to invite you dash dash.
And what other things should be included in the letter?
The letter must include the name of the concerned person, for example, bride, groom, birthday person. The correct date and time should be clearly mentioned. For example, Sunday, October 15th, 2017 at 11 a.m. The place or venue, example, home, party palace, hotel, should also be specified. If there is any special dress code or if the recipient doesn't need to bring anything, that can be mentioned too.
How do we ask for confirmation of attendance?
You should request confirmation of attendance. Phrases like these can be used. I would appreciate it if you could confirm your attendance. Please reply if you are able to attend. Kindly let us know as soon as possible. Also express hope to meet the invitee. For example, we look forward to seeing you on the occasion. The letter should be written in the first and second person. It must be grammatically correct, simple in language, focused and concise. The layout or outlook should be attractive.
Oh, I see. Do you have an example?
Of course, let's see one example. Write an invitation letter to your friend Sugam to attend your daughter's wedding ceremony. Sample letter. Address: Sundar Bazar 6, Lamjung. Date: 25 August 2017. Salutation: Dear Sugam. Body: We would be happy if you along with your family could attend the wedding ceremony or party of our daughter Ranjita on Sunday 14th September 2017 at 10 am at ABC Party Palace, Besi Sahar, Lamjung. Confirmation request: I would appreciate it if you could confirm your presence at 99000000. Hope: We look forward to seeing you on the occasion. Closing, yours, Samir. Another example. Write an invitation letter to one of your relatives for your son's 16th birthday party. Sample letter. Address: Besi Sahar 3, Lamjung. Date: 26th August 2017. Salutation: My dear uncle and aunt. Body: I wish to inform you that we are organizing a party to celebrate the 16th birthday of our son, Mr. Pradeep Adhikari, on Sunday, 27th September 2017 at 11 am at Hotel Mountain View, Lakeside, Pokhara. Therefore, I kindly request your valuable presence at this celebration. Confirmation request: I would appreciate it if you could confirm your presence at 066530768. Hope: We look forward to seeing you on the occasion. Closing, yours, Santosh. Here also, all the rules of informal letters are followed.
Are there practice tasks as well?
Yes, for example, write an invitation letter to one of your relatives for your brother's son's rice feeding ceremony. Write a letter to your friend inviting him or her to your sister's wedding.
I understood informal letters. What about formal invitation cards?
Formal invitation cards are different from letters. They don't include heading, salutation, greetings, or closing. Things to keep in mind are: identify the purpose or event, include the name of the concerned person, mention the exact date and time clearly, specify the venue or place, write RSVP, please reply soon, at the bottom left. Highlight important words in bold letters. Make the layout or outlook attractive. Mostly use the third person, though the second person can also be used. Some useful phrases are dash dash request the honor of your presence at the marriage or birthday of dash dash. Dash dash request the pleasure of the company of dash dash. Dash dash cordially invites dash dash.
Can we see an example of this too?
Certainly, here's an example of a wedding invitation card. Bride, Prerna Pradhan. Parents, Mr. R.K. Pradhan and Mrs. C.T. Pradhan. Groom, Avinash Sharma. Parents, Mr. P.P. Sharma and Mrs. J.P. Sharma. Date, September 17, 2017. Venue, Bindewasini Party Palace, Pokhara. Sample card is, Mr. R.K. Pradhan and Mrs. C.T. Pradhan request the honor of your presence at the wedding of their daughter Prerna with Avinash, son of Mr. P.P. Sharma and Mrs. J.P. Sharma, on September 17, 2017 at Bindewasini Party Palace, Bindewasini, Pokhara. RSVP 98564568, written at the bottom left.
Is a rice feeding card similar?
Yes, example, Kriti, daughter, parents Mr. B.T. Sigdal and Mrs. N.T. Sigdal, venue, own residence, Besi Sahar, date October 5, 2017. Sample card is, Mr. C.K. Chand and Mrs. P.K. Shrestha request the pleasure of the company of Mr. B.T. Sigdal and Mrs. N.T. Sigdal on the rice feeding ceremony of their daughter Kriti on Monday, October 5, 2017 at their residence, Besi Sahar, Lamjung. RSVP 98465436.
Are there DIY tasks for formal cards as well?
Yes, for example, prepare a wedding invitation card with the details of groom Anil Thapa and Sushila Shetri. Prepare an invitation card for Rashmita's birthday party.
Are there any other types of invitation cards?
Yes, in sample 3, Lamjung campus cordially invites Mr. Jang Bahadur Rana to its Golden Jubilee ceremony. It clearly mentions the date, time and venue. In sample 4, Prerna Foundation Sundar Bazar cordially invites Mr. Tejratn Shakya to its annual general meeting. This also mentions the venue, date and time. These are other examples of formal invitation cards used for special events or functions. Today we discussed different aspects of invitation letters and cards, how to write them, what to include, and also looked at some samples. I hope this will help you in writing invitations.
Thank you very much, teacher. Now I feel more confident in writing invitations.
Thank you very much for listening to our podcast today. We'll meet again next time. Namaste.